This is my version of golden fried rice. Tapos gawin natin itong upgraded. Gawin natin golden fried rice. One whole egg. You also need rice. Tapos lalagyan natin to ng dalawang egg yolk. Ito yung isa. Okay. Ito yung pangalawa. White pepper. Salt. This is salt. Pepper. Lagyan natin ng leeks. Tapos lalagyan natin ng konting sesame oil. Okay. So shake mo lang dito sa loob ng bag. So pinagalo-halo natin yung 1 cup of rice, leeks, salt, 2 egg yolks, pepper, sesame oil. So, kaya siya tinawag na golden fried rice kasi dahil dito para siyang gold. Okay. Sasangagin mo lang to. Pag nagsisizzle na siya, yung parang natutusta na, okay na yan. Goods na yan. Natin to dito. Tapos, gawin natin tong upgraded. Gawin natin golden fried rice tapsilog. So, Torres Food Philippines provided us a few sample of their products para i-test out natin. Hindi ko sila kilala. They reached out to us and they said they wanted to send us a few products. Paborito ko so far is the beef tapa flakes original. So buksan natin to. Okay. So gagawin nating upgraded yung golden fried rice natin. Lalagyan natin ng okay. Lalagyan natin ng okay. Alright. So nakita nyo kung gaano kadali lutuin yung golden fried rice. Sarap. Legit, no joke. Sarap. Tapos dito ako kakain sa magandang view.